Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to report an Instagram account. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then let's go on the search bar and find an account that we want to report on. For this video I'm gonna use an Apple account, for example, only. Don't do it if you really don't have nothing to report on. Let's say, for example, you already have an account that you want to report. You found an account which is suspicious, looks like a scam, or you have certain evidence that something is wrong with this account. Maybe someone is impersonating someone else's. So we're gonna go on the account and you wanna click on the three dots on the top right corner on the account. This is what kind of menu you're gonna see in front of you. You will have the restricted option, the block option, and the report option as well. Three options, as you can see, they're highlighted with red. I presume Instagram already is aware that if you're on this option, you will be looking for some of these three options. Main difference over here, if you report an account in which you probably click on, we click report. This is a simple process that you will go through. What do you want to report, right? The report is anonymous. Very important. No one will know that you report them, that you report their account or something, right? Very important. The metrics that you're going to report on could be under intellectual property infringement, right? If someone is in danger, if there is some emergency services. But remember, there could be scams and spams, and could be something wrong, right? Someone might pretend to be someone that he is not. You can actually report individual posts. You don't have to report the whole account, which is again very, very helpful. And the third option is something is wrong with the account itself. This is the three options. Someone is underage. Remember, this app is only allowed for people that are above certain age. Someone is pretending or could be pretending to be somebody else, right? Somebody could pretend to be a Nike as a brand and selling, shoes. Someone could pretend to be a celebrity, very important, because as you can see, the last option over here is that you report the account or the activity because there is something wrong. The account is a spam. You just don't like the account. This is also an option. As crazy as it sounds, this exists as an option in your report filings. There are other things that are also obviously here that are not accepted or appropriate for the platform. So essentially, there is a wide range of complaints or dislikes that you could have with this account. But again, my advice is that if you just don't like the account, just block the account and you don't see anything from it. You don't have to block or try to come up with some reasoning for you to report the account. Just don't be mean and don't do stupid things on the platform. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.